Oh my God, dude.
That's a nice touch. There you go, dude.
Oh my God.
Wow.
These bastards already left me. The tiltiest kayak known to man. Oh, this is so slippery. Guys, I'm gonna die. Oh my God. Oh my God, dude. Huh? Oh no. All right, hold up. Wait for me, boys. Oh! Oh! I'm getting situated. It's a collision. It's so nice out this morning. This is a family meeting.
Come on, babe. It's gonna stop. And one is close.
So we'll just go slow. By the time we get out there, maybe they'll be boiling. Yeah, we could definitely drift for some sea bass. Do you want to go down more or what? So the game plan is throw some bait down, start jigging, see if we can scoop up some sea bass for dinner, some fluke maybe, and just kind of hope that we see some blitzes going on around us. Looks like a fat nutsack hanging from my rod, dude. It's like a squirrel nuts. Well, that's a big ass squirrel nuts. That squirrel would be stacked. Just dunking my balls. Go blunk. Go blunk. Alright. Oh, hold on, I'm coming. I need a paper clip.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we're good,
oh,
yeah?
We're good.
Alright, sweet.
Alright, I'm gonna drop it. Oh, that's good.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Tactical dangler. Where is my shit? I better go swimming. Jesus. Alright. Heads! Oh. What do you mean? So the main objective here is to set yourself up so that you can be as versatile with two poles as possible. So if you tie one of these terrible knots that I can't tie right now. Yeah, one of those. And then do it one more time. It doesn't cinch on itself, so that you can put your dropper rig on your swivel and easily switch out for another lure if you have to, so you can cast. Because we're not taking our epoxy jigs off today. It's just, well, I can't tie this right now at all. Jesus. There we go. Oh, yeah, almost. There we go. Yeah, that was not it though. All right, that was it somehow. This is the cheapest jig head I've ever bought. What is going on here? Look at this. Maybe it'll work. These big stinkies. Hooking it up. Oh, careful there, slippery. Gonna go through my finger. I'm running a pink worm for a teaser. These little freshwater worms have like never seen a hook this big. They're like, yeah, just shove it in there. Doesn't like it. It's just gonna go missing anyway. Rig. See ya. Can you shut that off? Not too much going on, huh? Only a couple boats out. I'm surprised. The bottom bite just totally seems to be dead right now in the spot. It's like we got nothing going on. Got Andrew way over there. Joe's way over there. There's a couple boats coming in. Really hoping to get on some albies this morning. It's just not looking that way right now. But the good news is they're more of like a sun-up fish. So if we were to start seeing them get active, it'd probably be about now until, you know, mid-morning. And then they kind of die out. It's a whole bunch of nothing going on. All right, I'm getting my move on, dude. Bring home like at least one keeper fluke so we can eat something. Yeah, I'm just not bottom fishing. I'm refusing to. I don't even want to catch a sea bass today. I just want Albie. Oh, you're on? There you go. What do you got? What, a sea bass?
I don't know. I caught it on another. Oh, this is set really tight. Calling back?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
I've never had a sea bass pull drag on me.
It's just a mad bluefish.
Yeah, I just got an angry bluefish.
Oh, I don't want this in my fucking kayak.
Yeah. Oh yeah, bud. How you doing? Floppy boy. Oh, about a karate chop. There you go. Yeah, Joe got a pissed off bluefish.
Oh my god, I have a keeper.
All right, hold on.
Oh, that's a fish. That's a fish. Maybe? Yeah, it is a fish. No, it might be a fluke. It feels like it, but I don't know, dude. Oh my god, I have a keeper fluke. Kind of a doormat. Not a doormat. No, it's a keeper though.
What did I tell you? Didn't I just tell you at least catch one keeper fluke so we can eat something?
Yeah, I listened. Got him. Nice. Looks like a doormat coming up. Nice keeper, dude. Probably a 20 incher. You have your pliers on you?
I do.
Not a bad fluke at all. Nice. I'll take that.
Oh, good. Oh, there they are.
Oh, he took it. Yeah, I'm not trying to get big. Oh yeah, I think he'll make it. Board goes to 19. Swinging over it. Yeah, he's way over 19.
Oh yeah. Get a little bit of bottom fishing going. I really don't want to do this, but I guess I will, considering there's nothing else going on at all. This is a big, ugly... I've never seen a, well, in Rhode Island, I guess. I've never seen a fluorescent green fish. Oh, what you know about this rock that I think I just caught? No, I don't have a fish. Woo! Bark, 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 bark. They're cool looking, but... Oh my god, dude!
That's a nice touch. There you go, dude.
Oh my god!
Wow. Keeper,
Oh, he's a beast sea bass, dude. I was like talking shit earlier. I was like, I've never had a sea bass pull drag on me, and then that one just showed up.
You guys using crab or gulp?
Crab. Well, I have a gulp on too. He ate the crab though. I'm in the foam. Look at this guy. All cross-armed and shit. This guy's a beast, huh? How you doing? Oh, I need the cooler. Oh, you get the tog?
Well, I have a tautog, and mine might be close. Mine might be a keeper. It might be close. Oh no, probably close. He might be under. He might be around 15.
Close.
I'm gonna measure. Get that up here.
Oh, I can't come in.
Oh, could we make it?
Watch your tip coming in hot here.
Oh, Joe, is that making that?
Where are we at?
Oh, is that making that though?
Is that 7?
That's 16 right there. It's probably, honestly, I don't need it that bad.
I need a...
How close is it?
He's 16. That's a keeper.
Oh, it's a keeper?
16 inches a keeper.
So keep it. I've never had to talk. Why, you don't want it?
I do, but
It's at 16.
it's literally at 16, like to the point where it could be arguable.
All right, then ditch it, I guess.
Nah, fuck that, it's a keeper.
That's why I looped through. Jesus Christ.
Yeah,
I need my cooler. Hold on. I'm on my way.
Andy's got second, and then I have
Ooh, my ass. Oh, I just got an ass cramp. Oh, not good. There we go. Whew. Hand lining. There we go. It's a parting the foam sea. It's like I'm on sand. That's so cool though.
Nice. Oh. That ain't good.
Oh, he's back. Oh, he's back. He's no, it's a scup. Oh, it's a fluke. Hold on. He's pissed. All right, hold up. We're doing the check on the run.
Maybe not. Yeah, not even close.
Yeah, see.
Just the board itself.
What a hard fight. We're just gonna have to time it right, I guess. It doesn't look bad at all. I hate paddling, dude. You always get soaked. I get majorly effed in a second. I'm going for the ramp. Going for the ramp. Bad plan. I should not have gone for the ramp. Woo! Thank you. Thank you. Uh-oh. I'm good. Yeah, that was an accident, but it worked. Oh, bye-bye. Oh, no. Joe just come in hot. Get off quick.
Oh, gosh, go, go.
Oh, yeah. Wow, I can't believe I didn't lose anything on that endeavor. All in all, we did pretty good.
You brought your plate up, man?
Hell yeah.
Let's do this.
I don't know what I'm gonna do with those.
Oh,
dude.
nice. He's good. He's good though.
Maybe probably a 19er. Rinsing him off. Like, oh, he's still got the crabs in his mouth.
What?
Yeah.
Why is it doing this? So
This water is coming up hot. Keep an eye on those kayaks. Oh yeah, we got a tsunami fishing knife review. So far it sucks, because I haven't done anything yet. That spine line. Get along that spine line there.
Oh my god.
That's what.
Getting out there today.
We didn't catch anything. I'm just kidding. Did you do the other shot?
No.
Oh, you dude, it's so sandy. Got a little grillage maybe? Got a little grillage.
Oh god, somebody's launching.
Oh, you did the middle way?
yeah, it works, man. Good.
Yeah.
Let me just get this off.
Yep.